Please.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hani Islam. I'm from class 7 and here I will tell you the presentation of the book Rich Dad and Poor Dad. The writer of this book is Robert T. Kiyosaki, and also in this book they are telling that how can they are telling about the money, that what is money, and it also tell about the importance of money. So in this book Robert T. Kiyosaki was very small and he started about his journey. So he shared everything in this book about his we have two dads, rich dad and poor dad, and the poor dad was his own father and the rich dad was his friend father Mike. Mike was his friend name. So they both father, their mindset was very different. He was thinking that both father, they both were friends. So one father he have a poor mindset and one father have a rich mindset. One passed 8th grade, he never passed up than 8th grade, and the other he have a good degrees and passed in his exam. So in their both their mindset was very different. The rich dad he never passed 8th grade, but still he knows the importance of money and what is money. And the poor dad he don't know something about money because he studied in school, and school never tell us what is money and the money is what is money. Money is a power or not. So in this book they are both about our mindset. So all game is about our mindset, that what is our mindset doing. So in this book they are poor said that he said that study hard that you can find a good job in a good company, and the rich dad he is saying study hard that you can have your own company, even small company. So in their both there are two mindset, very different mindset. One poor dad he is saying that study hard that you can get a good job in a good company, even you should not work for a good company because the owner will give you something order that you have to do this what you should do. But if you have your own company, even if that said that work for your own company, you have your own company, you will give other order and they will work for you, you will be the owner of that company. So in their both their mindset, one he said that lack of money is the root of all evil, and one said that love of money is the root of all evil. Lack means less. So in their both mindset there is two different. So lack of money is the root of all evil. For example, money is a power. If my family need money, we can buy happiness by money. Even like my family need something, they are saying that you are very bad, you are not helping us, you are thinking yourself very great. So if they need some money for their house or for something, so I can give them money and I will become a respectable for in front of them, in their eyes, that I am a good person, that I am helping to others. If my hobby, for example, my hobby is to read books or to write books, so I need things for that. To read books, I need books. So in different stalls I can go give money and buy some books. So are having bags, different thing, going for doing good thing, going for umrah or hajj, there also I can use money and I can work for that. So in their Robert T. Kiyosaki shared one small story in that a partnership is formed. The Robert T. Kiyosaki and Mike, they both were in same year. That Robert T. Kiyosaki was 9 year old and Mike he was also near to him. So they said that we will work as a partnership. How rich dad is working, my father was rich dad, so how he is working, we will work for that. They went to poor dad and they said that we want to work for money, that what is money, because our school doesn't teach us that what is money. So the rich dad he said that I will teach you what is money. On next Saturday morning 8 o'clock, they went to the rich dad and said that please tell us what is money. So there at that time, rich dad said that okay, you will work for the 10 cents per day, per week. Sorry. So there they started working for 10 cents per week. So one day poor dad called. They were working very good. So one day poor dad called them that why he is giving you 10 cents and very less money. So I don't know what is money. So you should go him and tell him that please give me more sense that I should get more money. So he was working someone. So money was not working for him. He was working for money. So we have to work for money. Money should work for us. We should not work for money. So there when he went to rich dad and he told that I need more money, give me more cents. So thereafter some time rich dad said, okay, you are forcing me too much, so I will give you 30 cents per week, but I will not give you something. You will work for free. So we should work for free, not for that, because money is working for us, we should not work for money. So that time Mr. said that I will not give you any money. So he said he was shocked that why you are not giving me. I said that give 30 cents and I will increase my salary. So there at that time the rich dad he said this is the best point, that now you got that why is money? Is money a power? So he said, yes, I want to learn about money. So he said, now you are learning that what is money. So that time he said Robert T. Kiyosaki got the idea that what is money. So he worked for his dad, he was working for free. Then after that he was buying his own business. In this book their mindset was too different. There is a small poem that the Robert T. Kiyosaki favorite American writer Robert Frost, he said in that there were two paths. I will tell you the main ideas. That there were two paths. One was, for example, one was path A and one was path B. One path was very grassy, not neat and clean, and one path was neat and clean. So at that time, he started saying that something. There neat and clean path. There 98% people were passing, and 2% people were going on the grassy road. And that time, Robert T. Kiyosaki said that path were same. That's the successful people were going on 2% path. They were not copying each other. So at that time, successful people going path are same, but their mindset is very different because they were copying each other. 98% people were copying each other. So at that time, Robert T. Kiyosaki said that we have to choose immediately and very quickly. But we have to choose one thing in our life. No, we can never choose both things. So at that time, he said that I will choose that part where no one is going. So he became successful. The people who never copy each other, they can be successful. So in this point, there is a best point. I love that point. That is that assets and liability. So in assets and liability, they are very different. So in assets, they are telling about that money come in our pocket, and in liability, they are telling that money should go out of our pocket. How money go out of our pocket? That money is not working for us. We are working for money. At that time, we should make long list for assets, not long list for liability. At your home, we are not working for job. We are students here, so we should see at our home that which things are used for liability and which things are used for assets. We can change the liability things into assets. Assets are very good. Because they put money in our pocket. Thanks.